Hi everyone, I'm Miss Karolina and welcome to STEAM Challenge. Today we're going to do some rainbow science. I'm going to show you two different activities you can do using rainbows. So for this first activity, we're going to need water, we're going to need a plate, and we're going to need candies such as like M&Ms or Skittles or some type of colored candy. And so let's get started. Okay, so I have my plates and I have my candies right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to line my plate with the candies. So around the perimeter of the plate, I'm going to put candies in. Okay, and you can do whatever pattern you like. I think I am going to do a rainbow pattern. Well, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so when you're done, this is what your plate should look like. You should have a circle of colors around the plates. So I'm going to move my M&M, my candy to the side. And what we're going to do is we are going to add our water. Now, if you feel comfortable, you can pour the water from your cup right into the middle of the plate. Or like me, I'm going to use a spoon and carefully put spoonfuls of water onto my plate. So you want to make sure you're covering the whole plate. Just like that. And now we wait for the magic of this rainbow candy to start. So I don't know if you can see it. The colors are starting to come off the candies a little bit. Let's see if it gets all the way to the middle. It's looking so cool. And voila, there is our rainbow candy science. Isn't that cool? All the colors from the candies dissolved in the water, and the colors of the candies went into the middle, forming a rainbow. That's really cool. Most candies like this have like a water soluble covering on it. So if you put them in water, the color will dissolve and then you get the chocolate inside. But this is super cool. It's really, you see all the different colors mixing together. It looks like a rainbow. I love it so much. Now, if you want to be brave like I am, you can mix and see what happens. You can make little swirls. And you're just making that kind of tie-dye effect in the rainbow. Oh, that was so cool. And that is our rainbow candy science experiment. For this next activity, we are going to do some rainbow magic. Ready? Isn't that cool? And I'm going to show you how to do it. So to do this magic rainbow science, we're going to need a plate, water, that'll come at the end. You're going to need paper towels, a Sharpie or a permanent marker, and washable markers. Okay, so let's go get our supplies. Okay, so I have my paper towel right here. If you want to make your picture smaller, you can always take half of a sheet and then fold it in half again. And that way our picture is going to be a little bit smaller. I think that's what I'm going to do today with this one. All right, so you can make whatever you want on your paper towel. First, I'm going to outline my picture. So let's see. I think I'm going to do a rainbow. Like that. And then I'm going to put the colors in later. And then I'm going to do a sun right here, like that. I'm going to do some other lines like this. Okay. I'm going to make a simple drawing. So if you're happy with this drawing, the outline that you did, what we're going to do is we're going to trace it onto the back. So as you can see, there's a couple dots that went through, and that's perfectly okay because now we're going to trace our picture onto this back side. So I have one on the front and one on the back right here. So I'm going to trace it. All right, I'm going to trace my rainbow on here. Okay, so once it's traced, you can either flip back to this top one, or you can leave this one as your top. It doesn't matter, but you have to leave one as black and white. So I'm going to leave this one as my black and white. I'm going to open my paper towel, and I'm going to color this one in. So let's see. I'm going to do my yellow sun. Okay, so that's going to be my back piece of paper towel. I'm going to fold this on top of it, so the black and white is on top, just like that. So now we need our plate of water. Okay, so I have my plate. I'm going to put it on the table. First, I am going to pour some water onto the plate so that it covers the bottom of it. Okay, just like that. Make sure you're doing this somewhere that you can get messy, because I know we're definitely going to get some places wet. Okay, the next step is we're going to take our drawing and we're just going to lightly toss it into the water and watch the magic happen. Isn't that cool? So the permanent marker or the Sharpie that you use, the outline stays, but the washable markers, since they're washable, they're water-based, that means that the color, when it hits the water, it starts to just move. So it moves across the paper towel because of the water, but the Sharpie stays in place. Isn't that awesome? So that's our rainbow magic. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun today. I know I did with rainbow science. You can definitely try these at home. If you do, let us know, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye.